Hi there, this is Pam with Pam's Paper Place, and I would like to show you these ephemera book holders
And
that I have.
London.
And London, my little granddaughter there. Show them your hands. And she wanted to show these, so I'm going to let her take over now. Go ahead, London.
This is not just an ordinary gardening book. My grandma put like flowers and like horse things and chickens. And then she has these cute little people that I really do like. Here's one of my favorites. And then this is really pretty. And then this. Cute. That's cute. They're like little dolls. So I like those because they're cute. And they're like taped on like that. And then there's cute hummingbird.
Well, I'm not sure what kind of bird. Kind of looks like a hummingbird beak, but
You can write here, and then you can write here, and then you can do whatever doodles you want, and then you can write stuff on these things, and there's like a little world thing, and then those look like old tickets. And then these are just some flowers again. Then you
postcards, kind of like, I think.
And then you take them out like that, so don't go like that.
Kind of a side.
Yeah. So, and then this is a front this time. It's kind of hard, and then there's little price tags. And then here's some more price tags. Oh, and here's some numbers, some number cards, and then these are some some letters, and like 6 plus 5. Like if you want to do math, just get your brain starting for math, you can. And then here's some fruit and vegetables.
Be cute for a little farm journal, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
For the chickens.
And then here's some roosters. They're kind of thick. And then here's a pocket to make your own if you want. And then here's some little farmer things if you want.
They're cute.
Okay. I'm in trouble. But now these are some butterflies, like some special important butterflies to our community. And they're very cute, which I love butterflies. And then these are some more pictures, and there's some butterflies in there. Then here are some cards. And then here's some more. They're like flowers and butterflies, and that's a moth. And then this is a chicken, which is a very large egg. And here's some little looking napkin things, but they're not napkins.
They're kind of like little corners, I think. Tucks, maybe.
Yeah, and this, can you open? This you can put your finger through here and like get out these tiny little pictures. And then here's some flowers and stuff. Here's some like fruits and vegetables in here. Some cool cards in here. They're cool. They're like vegetables, fruits, veggies. Oh, and here's a horse and a lady. And then here's some little cards again. Oh, and here's some fake jars. Like, these are cool. They look like they have butterflies in them. And like flowers and butterflies. I think they're really cool. So, yeah. And here's some like fruits and veggies and butterflies and stuff. And then here's some more jars. You can draw stuff in them, like write stuff, like a little diary. And that leaves us to another book, which is not an ordinary cookbook. It's just a cookbook my grandma also made. Here's some fruit. Like, here's, that looks so good. Kind of looks fake. Is that thing fake? I don't know. Okay. These are some little words and stuff. I think you should take over.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you, honey. And now I'm going to show how I made this. Can I just move you a little bit? Thank you, London. That was really awesome. I love how you did that. Perfect. And what I did was these are my ephemera holders. I did one in this Betty Crocker, Better Homes and Gardens cookbook, and then this is a Better Homes New Garden book. And then I'll show you what I did. Yeah, okay, I will, but I want to just tell how I did it. I just took the measurements of the cookbook page, or whatever book you have. Just take out the page of the book. Let me see if I have an example here. So, yeah. So I would just take this, you know, cut it to size, and then what you're going to do is just take a page protector, and then I put the page that I cut in here. And then I sewed it here. To begin with, I just sewed it here. And then I cut it, once that was sewed, I cut this to size here. And then I trimmed it here. I didn't, you know, I cut on the other side of this so it wouldn't come apart. I sewed, you know, I cut it. Let's see if I can show you. Where are my scissors? Let's see. My scissors. Okay. So I'm going to stop it here a minute and I'll sew it and then I can show you better. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. And this just shows you what I did. I sewed a small margin right here, just from here to here. Here, one line. Then I'm going to just cut along here and the top. And then just on the other side of this little dotted, you don't want it to fall apart, but you just want this to be a narrow cut. Like this. Okay, and then I will mark, for instance, here I sewed across here. And now you can just sew wherever you want. You know, do a variety. Maybe sew across here, and then, you know, wherever you want to sew. If you want to sew this way. Let me do that a minute. I'll be right back. Okay. Actually, I'm thinking I was out of thread, but anyway, you'll get the idea. I sewed just down the middle here. Here's your top. So then I'll have a pocket here. You can kind of see where the stitching would have been right there. And then you're going to open up your pocket here because you got a pocket at the top. And now you want a pocket below your stitching. So I just take a dull X-Acto and not press very hard. I go across here to cut into the plastic. And then there you got another pocket here. So that's how I did that. And then after that I would mark my holes with a pencil here. You just mark all my holes with a pencil. Like so. Guess I could actually do it. Oops. And then you can kind of see it through the plastic. Then let me grab my hole punch if I can find it. Which I can't. I was not prepared to do this, but oh, here it is. Okay. Then you have your hole punch. You can kind of see where it was put through the plastic. And then I just punch my holes. And I have so much ephemera, I think I'm going to have to make another one. But I like the idea of having the binder because you can, you know, move pages around. This one I did with like food, coffee. Oops, this was a flower one. I must have moved this from the garden book. And I think I have to divide some of these. But you have all your little pages here with ephemera. And then I may also just put a little paper clip to hold it, you know, if things come out this way, or I wonder if I could just put a little, what do you call that? A little Velcro. And then I may, if they move like this, I could also sew here, and then that would be 2 dividers here. So anyway, that's my ephemera, and then you could just put this in here, and you've got 2 pockets, so you can kind of customize it however you like, and it's quick and easy, and you know, the clear page protectors are pretty cheap. I also put some tape here. I didn't know if it would hold up real good at the top of the plastic, just to give it a little more strength here. I don't know if that's necessary, but I thought I would. This one, I don't have anything in it yet. And here's one with 6. And then this one, I don't have that done yet. So I have, let's see how many pages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And that's pretty, you know, I mean, that's full. And then I have this one too. So I think this is pretty with the flowers in it. So those are my ephemera holders that are using these like cookbook and garden book. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.